The engineers who design and specify the projects that keep our infrastructure working know what's at stake, and they don't take that responsibility lightly. At IPEX, we get this and share that same responsibility. We understand that water and chemical process pipes, valves, and fitting solutions need to stand the test of time. So we take the time to make sure they're reliable because the cost and risk to our communities is too great. Our solutions support a range of industrial and infrastructure projects, from water and process pipe solution systems to double containment and acid waste systems. Safety and sustainability are at the heart of how we design, engineer, and manufacture our solutions. IPEX is quickly demonstrating how thermoplastic piping is the superior material for water and chemical processing. But not all engineers have experience with it. That's why we have a dedicated application engineering group that consults from the design and specification stages through to purchase and installation, right at the job site if needed. So when you need to know something about thermoplastic pipe and fittings, we're there with an answer. Our responsibility is creating industrial thermoplastic solutions that keep our community safe. That's making people's lives better. IPEX, made for North America pipe and fitting solutions for infrastructure that lasts. That's building it right together.